Hello YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to fit RAM. Align it into the slot, making sure the gap in the middle is in line with the notch on the board. Then you need to gently push from both sides and at the same time gently push. I ideally do this at both sides at the same time, but I have a camera in my hand so I can't. But it should simply be a case of push until it clips in. And as you can see, that is now clipped in. And removing RAM is even easier. All you have to do is pull on both levers and just take it out.